guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami frog that actually jumps. So first you make a line here, you take a square paper and you first fold it into a triangle. Then with the line you fold it into a rectangle like this. And the same thing, when you see a line here, just fold it up like this. And now do it for this side also. And now do it for the second side of the triangle, the rectangle also. So yeah, you get this type. Now you just do this. Just a second. You just do this and then you fold it to the sharp edge of the corner. So see, you just get this thing. Now do it for the other side also, like this. It should have a sharp edge at the corner. Yeah. So you just, this should not come. Now it should be like this, and you just put your finger here, make it a sharp edge for it, and now you just do this. So after this, you fold the first like this. Do it for all the four sides. Do it even for this side. And now you take this edge and fold it here, just parallel to the other edge. Do the same for all the four sides, like this. So you get something like this. Yeah. Now you flip it over, hold the two legs, and now make a triangle like this. See, you get it? Now take the side and just fold it like this so that the triangle doesn't jump up. Do the same for the other side also. Your frog is almost ready, but to make it jump, you just do this. You just push the triangle back so that it helps it in jumping like this. Once it is done, you see, you get a thing like this. Now you fold it like this to the half and then fold it again to the other half. That helps it in jumping. You get something like this. Now how does it jump? You press it here and then you leave it. See, it jumps. So thank you for watching. Bye.